Hello, I'm Seema. Each statement has a part missing. Choose the best option to fill the gap. This statement, because salinity in many ways is an important delimiter for habitat in bays, this parameter was studied and an increasing trend in salinity was found throughout the Neusis coastal basins bay systems. In option number 2, if the word but is used, it needs a verb, not that, after exception. Hence, this is incorrect. The same reason is applicable to nevertheless in option number 3 here, which means in spite of that. Hence, incorrect. Option number 4 also fails, as along with means in addition to here, and also usage of there at the end of the option is incorrect. So we get option number 1 as the correct answer because it best fills the gap in the given context. So our choice is option number 1. Hope this is clear. Thank you. करके दिखाएंगे. Hello, I'm Seema. The given statement has a part missing. Choose the best option to fill the gap. Our question. Now, the statement is, once the organizers had decided who they wanted in a given workout session, they sent out letters of invitation. Let's understand the solution. From the given options, only option number 3 best fills the gap. It is our correct choice. Let's see why others are wrong. Option number 1 contains with here, which is not only redundant but also makes the sentence incorrect. Similarly, option number 2 contains to here, which has no previous reference point in the sentence, hence incorrect. Option number 4 using explained with making violates the rule of parallel construction, hence it is also incorrect. So we get option 3 as our correct answer. The answer is option 3. Thank you. करके दिखाएंगे. Hello, I'm Seema. The given statement has a part missing. Choose the best option to fill the gap. Our statement is, since some employees could not afford to be completely out of touch with their officers, dash and collect the non-emergency messages for session breaks. Option number 1 is incorrect. Here, assign goes with to plus base form, meaning assign to sit, not for sitting. To sit. Hence, this is our incorrect statement. Here, in option number 2, we see the usage as in order for, which is incorrect. In order goes with to. Here, it should be someone instead of some. So, option 3 is also incorrect. Only option number 4 is the correct statement to fill the gap. We get option 4 as our correct answer. Thank you. करके दिखाएंगे.